Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete TikTok videos at once. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and here you can find all of your videos. So you can see that there is no option to delete all the videos. So the process is that you simply need to select any video and click on three dots, and then you need to scroll down and click on delete, and you will find last option delete, and you simply need to manually delete all the videos. And if you have less video, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right and go into the settings and privacy, and then you need to click on manage account. And here you can see in account control you will find two options, deactivate or delete account, and click on that option. And if you want, you can delete your account and start your account again if you have less followers on TikTok. So this is our process by which you can delete all TikTok videos at once. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.